If you look at my face, you can see the difference between the two sides. My eyebrow is even arched upwards, and this side of my face just feels so much more stimulated and lifted. So I'm just going to apply a few drops. I'm going in sort of upward motions to stimulate that blood flow. Show you one side right now. A revolutionary discovery of mine to remove toxins and impurities from my skin. As you can see from the greyness which is forming underneath the wand. So you can just see all of the dirt that this wand has removed from my face. And if you look at my face, you can see the difference between the two sides. This one has already had a kind of natural lift compared to this side. And honestly, this just feels kind of like a miracle. Basically gives your face a natural facelift as it stimulates blood flow into your skin, into your face. So it's kind of like a workout for your skin.